KTVU crime reporter Henry Lee live tonight in the newsroom with the latest on this big development. Henry.
Yeah, Mike and Julie, this case was brought by Alameda County DA Pamela Price, who's promised to hold officers accountable. She called today a historic but sad moment. Veteran Oakland police officer Fong Tran will be going to trial on charges of bribery and perjury in connection with a botched murder case.
If you violate the law, even if you're a police officer, that you will be held accountable.
Alameda County DA Pamela Price, a progressive who's made charging police misconduct a top priority, was in court when Judge Clifford Blakely ruled there was enough evidence for Tran to stand trial.
I regret to inform the residents of Alameda County that this case involves a decade of lying and manipulation by an Oakland police officer.
Tran, a longtime homicide investigator, is accused of bribing Aisha Weber to identify two men as suspects in the 2011 shooting death of Charles Butler Jr. Weber later testified she didn't witness the killing and said Tran had paid her $5,000.
We want witnesses to be able to come forward truthfully, unafraid, and not because they are bribed or given false incentives.
The judge cited this 2013 KTVU story featuring Tran and the victim's terminally ill father pleading for tips. And just a week after that broadcast, Weber came forward saying she saw two men commit the crime. Prosecutors say Tran made it look as if Weber took the initiative, when in fact Tran had been paying her and had met her previously, according to the DA. Prosecuting the case against Tran are Zachary Linowitz, an ex-Contra Costa public defender, and Leah Abraham, a former San Francisco prosecutor under Chesa Boudin. Representing Tran is ex-prosecutor Andrew Gantz.
The witness who was allegedly bribed, her credibility will be the main issue for a jury to decide.
KTVU legal analyst Michael Cardoza says this case once again will center on Weber's testimony.
It is a question, did she lie then when she said, I know who committed these murders? Or is she lying now when she says, no, I got bribed?
Now, in a statement, the officer's attorney said in part there's a lack of merit to the charges, and that case, as it stands, is at an early stage where the standard of proof is relatively low. Live in the newsroom, Henry Lee, KTVU, Fox 2 News.
Henry, in regards to timeline, what are we thinking here that when this trial may possibly start?
Well, the officer will be back in court next month to make another arraignment. He's going to probably plead not guilty, and then from there the judge will take a look at trial dates.
All right, Henry Lee, live tonight in the newsroom. Henry, thank you.